Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Pilar Garrido Corrales is a Filipino pop singer, songwriter, actress, comedian, and television presenter. She is best known for her distinctive backbend when singing and is popularly referred to as the Asia's Queen of Songs for her local style and longevity. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Pilar Garrido Corrales ay pinanganak noong August 22, 1937 sa Lahug, Cebu City, kina Jose Corrales at Maria Garrido. Si Pilar Garrido Corrales, na mas kilala natin bilang Pilita Corrales, ay nasa show business sa nakalipas na 66 na taon. Nagsimula siyang kumanta sa isang istasyon ng radyo sa Cebu kung saan kumakanta siya ng mga Spanish songs gamit ang kanyang gitara. Si Pilita ay naging bahagi ng isang magic show na naglakbay sa isang barko na nagdala sa kanila sa Australia. Sa Australia, siya ay napansin at kalaunan ay gumawa ng pangalan para sa kanyang sarili bilang isang mga awit. Hindi nagtagal, si Pilita ang naging unang babaeng artist na umabot sa numero 1 sa Australian pop chart sa kanyang single na Come Closer to Me. Siya ay labis na minamahal at sinamba, anopat pinangalanan nila ang isa sa kanilang mga kalye sa Victoria, Australia sa kanya. Si Pilita ay isang artist, mga awit, komedyante at manunulat ng kanta. Siya ay naging isang international na bituin matapos gumanap kasama ang mga tulad ng The Beatles, Frank Sinatra, Julie Andrews, Bob Hope at Sammy Davis na nagbigay daan para kay Pilita na maging unang Pilipino artist na kumanta sa Caesars Palace. Si Pilita ay higit sa lahat dahil kakanta siya ng kanyang mga tagapakinig sa Espanyol, Cebuano, Ingles at Tagalog sa Caesars Palace. Hailed as the greatest singer in the Philippines by the media and critics, Corrales has already recorded 135 albums throughout her 6-decade career. Her recordings have mainly been in English and Filipino, while on occasion, she records songs in Spanish and Cebuano. Her success would later extend to film and television, where her show An Evening with Pilita is considered as one of the standards in Philippine broadcasting history. She is a recipient of the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry for introducing Filipino musical artistry to a global audience. Pinuri para sa kanyang matamis na boses at iconic na estilo ng pag-awit, si Corrales ay isa sa mga unang superstar sa Pilipinas at naging isa sa mga unang babaeng artista na umabot sa tuktok ng Australian pop chart. Noong 1963, ang kanyang single na A Million Thanks to You ay naging isa sa ilang mga kanta ng mga lokal na artist na umabot sa numero 1 sa Philippine chart noong 1960s. Siya rin ang unang Pilipinong nanalo sa isang international na pagdiriwang ng musika sa unang Tokyo Music Festival noong 1972. She was also honored with an honorary doctorate in music degree by the University of Visayas for her contribution to the Philippine music industry. In a career spanning over 6 decades, Corrales has released a string of signature hits including Kapantay Ay Langit and A Million Thanks to You, which have since become standards. Corrales has 2 children, Jackie Lu Blanco and Ramon Christopher Gutierrez. Her children are also well-known celebrities in the Philippine film industry. Corrales was married in 1963 to the Spanish executive businessman Gonzalo Blanco and separated while her daughter was still a child. Gonzalo died in 1981. Corrales gave birth to her second child, Ramon Christopher Gutierrez, in 1971, known to be the father of Janine Gutierrez. Ramon Christopher's father is Filipino actor Eddie Gutierrez. Corrales also has an adopted son, VJ. On May 22, 2001, Corrales married Paraguayan-Australian businessman Carlos Lopez. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mahatma Gandhi, the dignity of a man requires obedience to a higher law, to the strength of the spirit.